One day, there was a golden retriever, and she was next to a house, and she guarded that house for her pup. And then, her pup got up, and she said, "Hey, why did you come down?" "Because I didn't know why you were guarding." "Oh, that problem again. Oh, come on. I'm guarding because I guard. And, there was a big storm last night. And, hey. Hey, how you doing?" "I'm doing just fine. It's just she was talking to me about something and, about guarding and stuff." "Well, I won't blame her. It's kind of scary, but not for me. I'm grown up now." "Can I go as well?" Oh no. The queen. "Get out of my territory." I got Fruit Loops. I don't want stupid Fruit Loops. Now get out of my territory. You get out of our territory. Now get out of here now. That's right. But then this happened. The house disappeared. But why it did, because a horse came by. Oh no. The power horse. Come on. Girl. But then she went right here. And then this happened. Grr. 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 And then he got up. And then the horse did this. I kicked her. And then this happened. The horse left, leaving nothing but an empty valley with nothing behind. But then, when the wolf got up, she found out she was pregnant when she got kicked. When she found out she was pregnant, she was scared. She howled very, very loud. And then everybody came by. And they said, "What's wrong?" "Yeah, what's wrong? Are you okay? Are you alright?" "Wait, hold on. What's going on here?" "I'm pregnant." "You're what?"
What? With pizza. Oh, thank you.
Okay. "I'm going to have a beautiful, beautiful son. You might want to step back." "Okay. I'm going to be howling very loud when So wolves howl by screaming." Okay. Yay! 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 Oh my god, you better take care of her. I will. Mama? Mama? Come on. And then? Guys, I will name this little cutie in the next video, okay? Yeah, and I'm the best. Oh, I still can't stand up. I was just born. Well, I better go find my mom. Bye, guys.